Welcome back to another video. Today we got save on incredible new tools email from Harbor Freight. A bunch of coupons here. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Feel free to take a screenshot of any of these coupons or a picture on the computer and use these coupons. Alright, so it says Save on incredible new tools. We have hundreds of new tools designed for the features, performance, and durability of Snap-on, DeWalt, Honda, and other pro brands, but ridiculously low Harbor Freight prices. New tools arriving every week. Hot new tools, hot new tools. All right, first new tool that we have is this tool cart. So yeah, if you guys haven't seen my videos, but yeah. There's these cards are already out. A lot of the stores already have them. Probably most of them already have them in stock. So you can just look at them and look if that's the color you want. Gotta say, all these colors are pretty nice. You know, I don't really have a favorite color, but back in the beginning when these cards came out, I did buy the blue one. So that was my favorite color back then. But right now, I guess all these colors are super impressive. And the quality of these cards, it's really good quality for the price. $199.99, that is the current coupon. We do have another coupon for $169.99, only for these three colors. You guys need that. I'll see if I can link the video up above. If not, leave me a comment on this video. And I'll see if I can leave the link of that video so you guys can take a screenshot. And that coupon is currently valid until December 31st, I believe. Next item we have, it says new super coupon, 5-gallon, 1.6 horsepower, oil-free professional air compressor. As you can see, this is like a slim design. It's a nice design. It doesn't take a lot of space. You could either stand it up or, you know, use it flat. It says $329.99. Another new item is the 27-gallon oil-free professional air compressor. $399.99. As you can see here, the Den of Tools does have a video of this compressor. So I would recommend check out his channel. Like I said, it's the Den of Tools. Make sure you guys check him out. You got Franklin one-step folding step stool. $7.99. I looked at it at the store. It looks kind of plasticky, but you know, who knows? I haven't used it. I gotta try it out, see how it holds up. You got 40-inch working platform, $39.99. Portable clamping workstation, $119.99. I gotta check this out. It looks real nice. I believe the Den of Tools have this one. He likes it so far, so. Bauer heavy duty guaranteed. Yeah, there's a lot of new Bauer tools coming out lately. These are some of the new ones. 20-volt lithium ion coreless detailed sander, $29.99. You got the 20-volt lithium ion coreless blower sweeper, $44.99. This is mostly going to be your shop blower, the smaller type of blower. It's not your for the lease or for the outside, you know, for your yard. Not really for that. It's mostly for the shop, you know, if you do a lot of woodworking or whatnot, if you want to just give it a quick clean there, you can use this blower there. You got 4.5 7-amp angle grinder. This is corded version. It says we carry a full line of grinding and cut off wheels. $29.99 for this. And Bauer does have a cordless, just to let you know. You got 350 capacity welding cart. I gotta say, this is a really nice cart. $89.99. I was looking at it at the store. Looks really good, really nice. 800-pound capacity Bigfoot hand truck. $49.99. I believe this one. I don't know if this one's the new. Yeah, this one's the one that has the airless tires. The ones that don't go flat. I believe this one's the new one. So keep out an eye for that if you guys need a hand truck. Folding fabric wagon, $99.99. I did look at this. These seem to be rubber, like soft rubber. Seems to be okay. The only bad part about this is that I don't like the wheels sticking out. You know, it kind of takes more space than what it should. You know, I would rather have the wheels on the bottom. But then again, it's just the design. Got to try it out. Half a gallon multi-purpose sprayer, $4.99. You got 1 ton chain hoist, $99.99. 3/4 lever chain hoist, $99.99. And then you got the tool creeper. I was looking at this. Very interesting. As a matter of fact, if you're down in the vehicle doing some mechanic work, definitely a great item to have all your tools in there. And every time you're like looking for a tool, looking for a socket, you're going all over the floor. And with this thing, all you have to do is just reach it and just reach in there and get the item. You can have sockets on one of these pockets, or you can have the bolts or screws that you're taking out from the vehicle. 6-gallon wet and dry vacuum, $44.99. 1000 lumen LED work light, $24.99. You got the 3 outlet 2 USB wall adapter, I gotta try this out, $7.99. 150 watt dual head hardwire security lights, $19.99. Looks pretty nice. I would rather have a LED though. I don't know. It's just, I feel that LED, uses a lot of less electricity and lights up fairly well. 20 ounce professional air spray guns, $149.99. You got the universal folding miter saw stand for saws up to 10 inches. So I guess this is for the more compact saws. $49.99. You got the 20 volt lithium cordless ion compact job site blower. This is from Hercules. $54.99. It does come with, I believe, some accessories here. Let's see if I can. It says extensions, nozzles, and adapter tips included. So then again, it does include like a nozzle, so you can do inflatables, like a mattress, inflatable mattress, and I don't know what this is though. But yeah, it does come with adapters, I guess. Nice. That's a nice deal to have. As a matter of fact, I need to pick one up because every time I need a sweep or when I wash my vehicle, I want to dry it out, you can use this thing to air dry it. 20 volt lithium ion cordless professional reciprocating saw with the LED light, $84.99. There's another new tool from Hercules. A great saw there. Yeah, then again, the Dental Tools did do a video on this thing. Actually on both, even the Bauer and the Hercules. Check out his channel. Just put the Dental Tools again, and then just put Hercules reciprocating saw. All right, the next coupon that we have is the Universal Roof Crossbars set of 2, $59.99. Yeah, these came out not too long ago. For the SUVs, for the SUVs, they already have the rails there, the rail system. All you need is this crossbars to hook it up. You got the 4-inch by 27 heavy-duty ratcheting cargo strap with flat hook, $34.99. And then you have the 7-piece fuel and transmission line discounted tools, or disconnect tool set, $19.99. Different sizes there, different colors. All right, guys, that's it for today. We got some of the stores down here that I go to. Yeah, if you guys live in Phoenix, here's some of the stores that I go to. So we'll see. I'll see if I can bump into some of you guys. Anyways, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one.